Hello students, how are you? I am again in front of you with a new chapter and you will be able to do that easily. That is social justice and marginalization, lesson number 8 of your book of civics. And first we will take it as the choose the correct options. Social justice targets the dash people of the society, and the answer is C for cat, marginalized. Second, dash prohibits discrimination of, on grounds of religion, race, caste, sex, or place of birth. And the answer is C for cat, Article 15. Then uh, the Ministry of Tribal Affairs was set up in dash D for dog is correct answer 1999. Fourth, the percentage of reservation for the OBCs in the government services is C for cat 27%. The Indian government abolished the practice of manual scavenging in the year 2013. The correct answer is C for cat. Now fill in the blanks. Article 15 and 16 provides equal economic opportunity to all. Second dash act was passed in 2013 and the answer is Manual Scavenging Prohibition Act. Manual Scavenging Prohibition Act was passed in 2013. Third, manual scavenging is mostly done by the Dalits or scheduled caste community. Manual scavenging is mostly done by the Dalit or scheduled caste communities. Fourth, the OBCs receive financial aid in the form of pre and post matric scholarship. Pre and post matric scholarship. Fifth, in providing social justice, the Constitution recognizes past culture. CULTURE culture. Whatever past culture was there, that was recognized first so that the people may be recognized among the society and their upliftment may be done. Now, C, state whether true or false. And first one, through the process of marginalization, backward and minority groups are empowered, false, because they are not empowered. Marginalization is putting them more down. Then second, women's right to equal pay for equal work has been recognized under Article 35D. That is true. Fundamental rights in our constitution emphasis on only on improving the conditions of scheduled caste. That is false. Once again, fundamental rights in our constitution emphasize only on improving the conditions of scheduled caste. That is false, because fundamental rights are equal for each and everyone living in the country. Then fourth, forcing a member of a scheduled caste or a scheduled tribe to drink or eat any inedible or obnoxious substance is a punishable offense. That is true. We cannot bother anyone to drink or eat anything which the person is not willing. Then now 10 to 20 word question answers. Who are the other backward classes? The answer is, you can find out the answer on page number 299 under the heading other backward classes. Other backward classes are those castes or communities that are notified as socially and educationally backward. Means economically also now it is added, and by the state government, or those that may be notified as such by the central government from time to time. Right? Once again, other backward classes are those castes or communities that are notified as socially and economically or educationally backward. The state government, or time to time the central government, is also notifying for their upliftment. Next question. What do you understand by social justice? Page number 296. The answer is given, and under the social justice and equal opportunities, that is the answer, ensuring social and economic equality means the providing equal opportunities to all without the discrimination, caring sex means gender, rich or poor, or man or woman. Anyway, they must not be discriminated, and that is social justice. You can see that it is social justice is provided through Article 15 also, right? Once again, I am telling you, ensuring social and economic equality aimed at providing equal opportunities to all without any discrimination on the basis of um, religion, race, caste, sex, or place of birth. Next question. What does the Article 15 of our Constitution states? Page number 297 in the yellow block, left hand side, it is given Article 15. It prohibits discrimination on grounds of religion, race, caste, sex, or place of birth. Reservations in the case of women, scheduled caste, and scheduled tribes, differently abled person, and other backward classes are allowed. Differently abled means those who are disabled in some way, they are not having legs or hands or eyes or any way, they are not like the common people, they are called as the differently abled. Now next question, what do you understand by manual scavenging? On page number 301, the correct answer is given on the left hand side, and second paragraph, third line, manual scavenging refers to people lifting human excreta with their hands and carrying loads on their head, hips, or shoulders. Anyway, lifting the human excreta is inhuman activity. That is why it has been prohibited through the Act, Manual Scavenging Act. And so, the meaning you must know that. The meaning, once again, I am telling you, manual scavenging refers to people lifting human excreta with their hands and carrying loads on their head, hips, or shoulders. So these were the question answers, 10 to 20 word and exercise work of this chapter. So I hope so that you will be able to do it, and in between short questions, 1 or 2 word questions, I will be back with you again. So enjoy and learn well, do well in your exams.